Okay, Jim Daniels, Human Button Pusher, HBP, AITradingFutures.com, on the couch, literally. Fever and chills, got a little springtime cold, I guess. Knocked me for a loop on Sunday night, down yesterday. A little bit better today, but the fever still hasn't broke. Thought I just have to get a trade in here to prove the address optional aspect of this. You could be anywhere to make a trade. Let's just take this down to like a 1 minute candle here. And let's see what we got. Really ripping off the open there a few minutes ago. I was not able to catch any of that. Don't have book maps, don't have anything. I'm basically just using my VWAP here. I'm going to go ahead and see what else I could turn on. Let's turn on the opening range to see where we are at the top of the opening range. Hate to short anything here of size. We've got a bunch of bottom tails. Look like we're just going to break out. Nice little hammer. I'm going to go ahead and just take one. Oh, that's way too big here. Don't have AI running with me, you guys, but I know what she would probably tell me right now. That's the beauty of working with your agent. Hopefully everybody gets involved and you get your agent talking with my 4 agents at the show, and we'll be just fine. This looks like we're putting in a bottom tail. I'm going to go ahead and take a short right here and just take out a little bit of money. There's a quick $1,000, everybody. So basically we had a breakdown. I wish I could show you. I think I can. Right here, oh, it won't let me. Yeah, right there was your breakdown the previous low. Looked like it was putting in a hammer, but it did reverse off of that ORB. And then we broke down through there. I waited till it broke 2 previous wicks because look, we had an orderly higher lows all the way up. So when it broke the second wick, given that I don't have all my charts, I'm trading on my cell phone. I only pushed in 10,000, guys, on my NinjaTrader brokerage account there. Could still be going with it, but I've got nothing else on to go by. Don't have my VIX up. I don't have my other indicators that I would use to see how long I could stay. And basically, it looked like we're getting one of these. Looks like it's one of these, maybe a twin tower here. So if I was on my computer and had other indicators, and more importantly, if I had AI here on the side of me and let me know what my risk really should be and what my direction should be on the 30-second candles, because they watch that. Although we are in an uptrend on the 1 minute, as you know from all the previous episodes, we do find value in some trades that is inside of these uptrends for shorts, just like you just saw me do. That was an impulse candle down, the break of the previous low, which is a BOS, break of structure. Then it broke the next bottom wick. That's when I got in there. And I jumped in just for a real quick trade there. That's how we do it here. Ninja scalping, sniper scalping is some of the official terms, high frequency trading. And move in a little bit more size on setups that have very big momentum. If you also look over here to the point of control, who just came through, is approaching that point of control, had a little impulse down, finding that low value area. We're at the low value area right now of your volume profile. So it does look like we probably want to bounce here. But again, we're approaching the middle of the ORB, opening range breakouts for people who want to get above that green line or below that red line that's on the screen. So I don't think there's much for me to do, guys. I feel like crap, to be honest with you. Hate to say it that way. And maybe we'll come back after lunch. I probably need a steam bath or something. And I've got to get some medicine in me to break this fever. That's the biggest thing right now. It makes you just feel like crud. As Vince Lombardi said, physical fatigue makes cowards of us all. I'm going to go ahead and take this, guys, to the upside and get just a little momentum. There's another trade right there. All right, look at that, guys. That was a twin tower reversal. So I got the pullback and I got the other trade, guys, right there. You got to see me. That was a $1,000 short, followed up by a $1,200 long. And so there you go, guys, just using the volume profile and watching candlestick, old school candlestick reading. So I'm going to let that be that, and we'll see you back when I feel better.